So, how long have you avoided using a push stick?
Pretty sure most of my life. I just don't like them.
And you're okay with cutting your fingers off?
Of course not, Doc.
You know it's going to happen. The safety police have left detailed graphic descriptions in the comment section, no?
It's holding on to the board. It's getting the right dimensions and pushing through the table saw. And then watching as that back end just kind of gets nibbled off by that blade.
I see.
It's too much. It's too much.
I see. I'm going to write out a script here. You have homework, Rob.
Great.
It's the truth. For the last 15 to 20 years, I've been using nothing but my fingers. And I'm pretty bad about it because I'll go about an inch close to that table saw blade. I don't have a saw stop, and no, I don't have a writhing knife on the back of my blade because it didn't come with the table saw. Well, let's head over to the table saw and I'll show you exactly what this thing does in action. A regular push block has a single direction, forward. But with my improved push block, with the moving pin on the bottom, I'm able to move the board in 2 directions at the same time. I'm going to demonstrate that by unlocking the fence and showing the force in action, thus allowing me to push the board forward and towards the fence like I would have done with my fingers. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this into an Instructable in the future. I might. If you like this video and this idea, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, tell your friends about us, and follow me on Instagram at Make Things with Rob. Also, I want to thank my good friend Rob Trotvetter for doing all the voiceover at the beginning. The link to his channel will be at the end of this video. And remember, keep making things.